It's designed to operate at variable speeds, along with the hose-in-hose feature to save over 40% on energy costs when compared to other air conditioners. Hey everyone, today I'll be looking at the Dreo TwinCool Inverter Portable Air Conditioner with dual hose. I did receive this product to review it, but any opinions expressed in this video are that of Chef Media Group, and I have to say I'm impressed. This Dreo portable air conditioner features hose-in-hose innovation that promotes efficient air circulation by keeping the cold air in and pushing the heat out. The high-powered cooling capacity stretches as far as 28 feet. Making it ideal for any room up to 450 square feet. You can customize your comfort with 5 different modes: cool, fan, humidity, auto, and sleep, all of which range from 60 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. This Dreo portable air conditioner is also built to be quiet enough to use in a library, capitalizing on ingenious airflow and inverter technology to minimize the noise so you can hear less and feel more. Plus, it's designed to operate at variable speeds, along with the hose-in-hose feature to save over 40% on energy costs when compared to other air conditioners. It's also easy to use. The all-in-one touch panel allows you to select different functions, including a 24-hour timer for automatic shutoff. And if you prefer to use the remote, you can access these same settings from up to 26 feet away. The installation process is hassle-free as well. Simply adjust the window attachment like this, then close the window for a proper seal, and you're ready to go. Overall, I'd recommend this Dreo TwinCool Inverter portable air conditioner for anyone who's looking to bring a bit of air circulation into their garage, bedroom, living room, at the office, really anywhere you might need some cool air.